Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can set up a wallet system on your website on WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now, I'll be showing you guys just some pointers because I myself cannot install plugins, and what you're going to need are wallet plugins, which you can freely find on the plugin marketplace for WordPress. But before you find those, what you need is the WooCommerce plugin. WooCommerce is used to create a storefront on your WordPress website, so just make sure WooCommerce is installed. Just go search it up on the store if you don't have it already. Make sure you have a business plan or up, and then just install it, activate it, and then you'll be good to go. After that, you can go back into the plugin marketplace and then search for wallet, and you should find a couple of plugins for that. Now you have your wallet for WooCommerce, which I do recommend. A wallet system for WooCommerce as well is alright as well. You also have some crypto wallets such as the Ethereum wallet, Bitcoin and altcoin wallets, the mobile wallet. Use whatever you want, but pretty much just choose the plugin you want. And once you do, you just need to go through the features and check out the way that you set it up for your site. Most of them should be free. These two are free, of course, considering if you have a business plan or higher on WordPress. And yeah, that is pretty much it. All you need to do is just set up the wallet system for your customers, where customers can give you or pay money to fill up their wallet on your site, and then use that wallet to make purchases on your site very easily. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Again, sorry I couldn't show you guys in more detail because I can't install these plugins, but that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.